Hello friends, thank you for joining me again. I'm glad that you are here. So today we are doing a Dutch pour again using my hair dryer, and the colors that I'll be using are, by the way, I use all Fevicryl colors. So this is pearl metallic copper, gold, this is pearl metallic gold, and then we have teal blue and crimson red, which is going to be my base color. Let's start. I have put a drop of silicone oil in each of the color except my base color. Let's start. So I'll start by pouring my base color. And I want to make sure that the canvas is covered well with the base coat. So I'll be covering the sides. So my base color is ready. Now let's pour the colors. So I'll be using metallic copper. No. Let's use gold as a base color first. I'll be using and keep this thing aside so that I can get some space. So I'm pouring pearl gold metallic first. Then my copper and teal blue. Let me dazzle some gold. I'll be pouring my base color onto the colors first and then blow it again. Alright, the cells has already started forming. Let's see what happens. So sometimes it goes well, sometimes it doesn't. So in that case you have to fiddle with it too much to get the desired result. So as I'm doing. Let me blow this and see what happens. Alright guys, I think it's done now. Let me torch and see if we can get some cells. So this was the first time that I was trying a base which is a vibrant color, that's red, and this is what I've got. What do you think about this? Thanks for being there with me. Bye bye.